Going in here for lunch. Oh, this is J.C. Penney. Morris is there. Oh my God. This knee pain. We're going for lunch here. Where are you sitting? You're sitting in a burger? This is a burger place. Sitting in a burger? You are waiting here while we are waiting for our order. Then we go back inside. But my son and my daughter, they go to the other street. There is a Qdoba Mexican grill. And this is kindly a busy street here. It's a nice place. Look at that big dog. Now hiring. Yeah. And I'm just sitting here in front of the burger place while waiting for them because I don't want to walk around to the other side. It's a busy street. Baka kimpang-kimpang ako maglakad ay baka ako masagasaan. Maghintay lang ako dito sa kanila kasi wala pa yung order namin na siniset. It's a beautiful place. Ang ganda ng lugar, oh. Diba? It's busy lang. Busy yung lugar niya. Kasi nandito kami sa harap ng kinakainan namin. It's a busy street. There's a grill restaurant there. There is another there. It's the Chico's. Ano ba dito? Nando sa dulo yung anak ko at saka yung apo ko kasi merong ano doon merong parang park. See? Daming tao, di ba? It's busy. Galing kami sa IKEA. They decided to eat something. They want burger. They will just eat burger. Here is the place that we will eat. But still maraming tao naman sa loob. Yan pala yung ano.
To burning love burger.
Teriyaki, it's rice. This is fish and chips. Nilagat broccoli, and this is teriyaki. Teriyaki burger. Busog na busog na busog. $1,000 degree pizza. $1,000 degree pizza. Ano na tawag na 1,000 degree pizza?